Hey, DFW Cluster Repair here again. The following video is for 05 through 09 Mustang cluster repair. These are the removal instructions if you want to ship it off to us, or if you want to remove it and bring it in to drop it off to get it repaired or rebuilt or whatever. This is a lady with an 06 Mustang. Her coolant temperature sensor was the only one working. All the other ones were inoperable, as you can see. Speedometer, gas gauge, and the RPM gauge, all inoperable. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to take the cluster out and get it fixed up real good. Okay, so you're going to use a pry tool, or you could actually use a butter knife to take care, and you're going to loosen up the left end of this, get underneath it and all that, pry it, and then over on the right side the same thing. Once you do all that, pull out on it and it'll come loose. It's all held in with clips. After that, the only thing you'll have, you may want to put your steering wheel down, but the only thing you'll have left after that is your there's going to be 4 hex head 7mm screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Those have to be removed. The bottom right may have to be removed using a 1/4-inch ratchet or something similar. So once again, those are 7mm. Take care. Also, take care when putting it back in. Once all the screws are out, you're going to rotate the top of the cluster down so that you could gain access to the cluster plug. On the cluster plug, there's a tab on top that you're going to press in that'll let the mechanical lever go back and forth so that you could remove the cluster plug from the cluster itself. And then over here, you can see the cluster plug itself. Here's the tab I was speaking about. Once you press that in, you got to press it in at the same time and then move your lever back and forth. And then right here, we're calibrating the cluster after repair so that it shows the proper gas level, RPMs, speedometer, etc. Get it fixed up right. We actually do complete rebuilds. We kind of getting away from the repairs. We're leaning more towards complete rebuilds, including refurbishing as much of the cluster as possible. This also includes the cover. As you can see here, here's one that we cleaned up that's got some dirt on it and stuck. We're going to go ahead and get all that off as much as possible, polish it up, make it look nice and new again. So yeah, take your cluster out, ship it to us, bubble wrap it, make sure it's packaged good. If you're in the DFW area, we do local repairs. You could bring it to us or we'll come to you. There's a mobile service. We come up to 100 miles away for a little extra. DFW Cluster Repair.